Now if you go there, you can see this is the original contract. We converted the trial contract to original contract, and you can see here this is the invoice number. Okay, now we can go back and you can open the cashier dashboard, and you can just type here the invoice number. I will take the invoice number 1830. Okay, so for it will be easy. You directly type here 1830. Okay, so this is the original contract. Now we already received 3000 advance from the customer when we make the trial contract. So first you can adjust the 3000 to this invoice. So for that you can go here refund queue. Okay, and you can see this is this customer and he already paid 3000. Now amount 3000, adjusted 0 and balance 3000. That means 3000 we not adjusted to any invoice. So this 3000 is available for adjustment. So right click, adjust towards spending wheels. So now it will show the original contract invoice details. So 5250 is the amount. So 3000 is already came here. So you can just click here flag, okay, and just update. Okay, now it's disappear from here. Now again you go back, and the rest of the amount you can pay here 1830. Okay, now 2250 is balance, so you can put it 2250 flag, cash or check, whatever. Okay, update. Okay, now that invoice fully paid. Okay, so if you go to the collection summary, you can see here this is the deposit SRV. It will show here SRV. SRV means security receipt voucher. Okay, so this amount we adjusted, and this 3000, and this is cash, total cash we received. So you can find also like this cash. So it will show only the cash collection of today's collection, or you can put the date also, and you can see here. In the cashier summary also same way we can make it. Okay. Okay, this is the cashier summary. Okay, so you can see this is the security only the security amount. Okay, now this is the trial contract and the original contract creation and the payments. Now if you want to change the trial contract, the original contract, you can see here contract change. You can open the contract. If you want to cancel the contract, you can cancel the contract, and here you can put the amounts, that how much amounts we need to pay to the deduct from the customer. So you can put it there, the domestic worker salary or office charge or whatever, any other things you can add it here, and you can put the amount, and it will show here the refund amount. And you can see here cancel contract, change domestic worker. If you want to change that domestic worker only in if the customer they are not like to continue with the worker, so you can change the worker. So there is option change domestic worker, and here we can select who is the new worker. You can just select it, and you can just put the status approval status, because we need to take the approval from the management. So in the first stage we can put it pre-approval stage, then you can save it. Once they approve, we can go here, approve and save. So this agreement applicant name will change to this name. Now if you want to cancel the contract, you can put it cancel, and it will show you the refund amount, how much amount you need to go back, pay back to the customer. Now coming to the normal daily expenses and the payments. So you can go here for the general purchases, like the normal purchases, like office stationaries, any things you are purchasing. So you can just go to the procurement. Okay, in the procurement you can just click here general purchase, and here you can put the supplier name. When you click supplier, type 1 or 2 letters, it will show you the suppliers list. If suppliers list is not here, then you have to create the supplier. Just click on this link, and here you can add the suppliers. So here you have to create the supplier details like this. All the details you have to fill, then you can save it, then it will come here. Now you can enter the invoice number, invoice date, and purchase description. You can put whatever you purchase, stationery purchase. Okay, here you can put the tax, before tax amount, or you can go here TAT and you can put the including tax amount. Okay, so it will automatically calculate. Allocation ledger, you can just type enter, so it will go to the general purchase. Or if you want to allocate it to any particular ledger, you can just click F1, then you can choose which account. So click here in this box and press F1 in the keyboard. Okay, then you can just enter, coming down. And if you are paying now, you can put the amount, how much you are paying, 300, and how you are paying, like cash or credit card or whatever. If it is cash, from which cash you can choose. Or if you are not paying now, you can put it 0. You can just save it. Okay, now later you are paying the this purchase amount. You can go here, supplier payment, click here, you can select the supplier name, or you can click here pending supplier list. You can just double click, so the amount came here. So you are paying now 300 by cash from main cash account or petty cash or whatever. You can flag it here. You can put the date, which date you are paying, just update. Okay, now it's finished. Now this purchase now paid, 300 paid. Now if you go to this operations, you can see the their payment details also. RV details, you can see same, like we need to add here in the operations, customer RV details. Same way there will be supplier PV details also, we can add it here. Okay, it will come here. Now coming to the normal expenses. If you don't want to enter in the expenses in the general purchase, there is another option. Go to financial and you can option like expense entry, pay later, and expense entries on the spot. So this one is when you are paying now, we can choose this option. We can choose what kind of expenses, can give the details. Okay, and the supplier or provider name is there, you can put it here. Okay, then the bill number. Okay, if there is no bill number, you can put it 0. Okay, and you can put the amount including tax. Okay, same way purchase how you are purchase how you enter. You can choose cash or credit card or whatever, then update. Now if you are not paying now, you can choose this option, expense entry, pay later. Suppose it is last bills, you are just entering now, we are paying later. And description, it is last bill. Ledger, you can put here internet, you can put the amount 400, amount paid 0, then save it. Okay, then that expenses we can pay later. This one, expense settlement, ending SU, you can put it is last, so are paying now 300 by cash from petty cash, then flag it, update. Okay, and other than any other entries, if you want to pass, you can go here, vouchers. You have journal voucher is there, cash payment voucher is there, cash receipt voucher is there, bank payment voucher is there. So all kind of vouchers are here. So if you want to pass any entries other than these expenses and general purchases, you can choose these vouchers. Okay, and all your accounting transactions you can see here in the day book. So it will come like this. You can choose the date. So each date, what are the transactions, all you can see here. Okay, just double click here, so you can see the complete accounting entries here. You can just, if you want to take the printout, you can print out. If you want to edit the document, you can go here and you can edit the document. Just double click here, whatever you want to change, you change. Again you press enter, it will come down, then update. If you want to remove, you can remove also. And other things, trial balance, income statement, profit and loss account, one sheet, everything is here. And your PDC transactions, it will be here, PDC payment, PDC receipts, then the account statements, PDC clearance, all it will be here.